guys, welcome back, and today we'll be doing fidget trading. That's my fidget box. Let's get all my fidgets out. Wow, okay, so we've got all these fidgets to trade. This is a homemade fidget. And here's a bigger version. Okay. I think I'm going to trade, even though it's my favorite one, I'm going to trade this. Wow. I want to get a good one. So, this is what I want to trade. So it's basically a Simple Dimple and a fidget spinner all in one. So I think I'm going to get a lot out of this. So that's why I want to trade it. Whoa. Trading Simple Dimple crossed with a fidget spinner. Going once, going twice. Oh my gosh, me please. That's my dream. Okay, what's your offer? I offer these fingerings. Hang on for a second. Guys, that's a really good offer, but I'm gonna make it sound like it's legendary, and I'm gonna get her to add a lot when she's really overpaying. You're gonna need to add, because this is kind of legendary. Oh, I didn't know that it was legendary. I'll add. I think I'll add this. Actually, no, that's my favorite. I'm gonna add how about a Pop 2, a Poppet. Well, how about that offer? You're gonna need to add more than that. This is like legendary. Like super duper legendary. More legendary than anything else, ever. Okay, I'll add. I didn't really want to do this, but I'll add my favorite, Simple Dimple. Hang on for a second. Guys, she's really over now. I'm just gonna gonna try and ask her to, I'm just gonna try and get her to add so I can get more out of her. You're gonna need to add a bit more. I extremely didn't want to do this, but I'll add my favorite Poppet. And if you don't accept, I'm going to hack your account. Hang on for a second. Guys, she really overpaid, but since she said she's going to hack my account, I'm just going to accept. I'm just going to accept. Haha, get scammed. Hey, that's a scam. Oh. Guys, I'm really scared now because I just told her she got scammed and she did say I'm gonna hack your account if you don't. Yeah, if you don't accept. She's probably gonna hack my account now, but at least I got all these new fidgets. These are so cool. I'm gonna add them to my collection. Okay, they're in. Alright, let me see what I can trade next. I totally forgot there's a little mini hexagon puppet in the freezer. I'm gonna go grab it. Alright guys, I have my hexagon that had water in it. It's frozen, but just in case I have this plastic bag, which I'm gonna lay down as a mat, just in case. Oh my gosh, wow. Here's a piece of ice. Oh my gosh. Alright, I got all the ice pieces. Here's my favorite piece. I'm gonna try it, guys.
The sheets back on your bed. What are you reading? Hey, I need to do your nasal spray. What are you reading?
Ice.
Oh. I need to do your nasal spray.
I'm filming. Oh. So that was the ice, guys. But I have my puppet back. Wait, is that? No. So I'm gonna try to trade this. I'll sweat all over you. Hey guys, this is the puppet thing. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you stole my fidget, I'll sweat all over you. This is a really good puppet. I'm gonna trade it. Trading mini hexagon tie-dye puppet. Me, please. That little puppet's so cute. I love it. Can I get it? Sure. What are you gonna add? Could it be worth this homemade fidget pad? The squiggly thing? No. Okay, I'll take it away. I only have homemade fidgets. Well, I'm not accepting homemade fidgets, so sorry. But I'm gonna decline. Daisy, come here. Do you want to trade for it? Yeah, Daisy, Okay, Daisy wants to trade. Daisy, my dog, wants to trade. Okay, so here is the puppet. What are you gonna trade, Daisy? I'll offer this really colorful puppet. Oh, did you, Daisy? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit there. All right. So Daisy is adding that for this, and I really think that's a good trade. I actually think Daisy's over. But do you really want it? Yes, I really want it. Okay, can you add then? I'll add. I traded this off of another girl, but this. Oh, okay, that's my fidget spinner back. Yeah, sure. Daisy! Daisy, come here. Oh, go back to your seat. Oh. You're such a good puppy. Good puppy. So I accept Daisy. Okay. Here you go. Here you go, Daisy. Like it. Okay, bye then. How did that turn on? Guys, this just turned on by itself. Guys, it's just turned on by itself.
Service receives over 750 hoax calls every year.
Guys, this just turned on by itself.
£50,000
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Well, that was absolutely...
Oh, what is it doing? Oh my gosh, this is so creepy. It's just turned on by itself. Oh my god. Really? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why is... How? How is it turned on by itself?
Chinese, and I love cooking French pastry.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Like, you know when you get done over, you're like...
Oh gosh, what's going on? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Bye.